Hey, this is Danielle from DIY-Danielle.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy birthday banner using your Cricut Maker 3 and Smart Sticker Cardstock. We're going to start with looking at Cricut Design Space and the file that I created. You can get the link to that on my blog post. This is here just to show you what I want the banner to look like when it's finished. So I have this in a group. If you're using my design, just go ahead and hide that because you're not making it like that. We're going to try to save some paper and a little bit of effort. So what I did is I created a bunch of 12 by 12 mats on the screen, and that allowed me to fit all of the letters in and these triangles in as tight as possible so that we could fit them all on the mat and save paper. I am going to go ahead and hide those now because I don't want them cutting. Now that that's done, I'm going to click Make It. We're using our Cricut Maker 3, and I am going to select multiple ways because I'm going to be using sticker cardstock for this. I'm going to use sticker cardstock for this. These are smart materials, so they don't need a mat. However, these are going to be on a mat because they are going to be normal cardstock. We're going to select our machine, which is the Maker 3. And for this one, we're using Smart paper. And I'm going to select it on here. We're going to use medium cardstock here, medium cardstock here. Okay, so this is the white Smart paper sticker cardstock, and we've loaded it into our machine. Now I can just go ahead and cut it. I have my regular blade in the machine. What this does is it's going to cut out all of the letters that I have set up. I'll be able to peel them off and just stick them right onto my triangle banner pieces. This is the animal designs printing out on green Smart Sticker cardstock. The next 4 sheets are using regular cardstock. Now you don't need the sticker cardstock for that. It would be a waste of money really, and cardstock. And you don't have as many options. So we load these on a light grip mat. The light grip is for paper, and you want to load your mat into your machine. Jeez. You have your regular blade in. I have this set for medium cardstock. This is about a medium. And I'm going to go ahead and cut. Now I'm going to have to put in 4 different sheets. Make sure you get the right colors for each one. Once you've cut it, these things will come off. And you could put those to the side and just recycle the excess pieces. Then you can load on each other piece of your cardstock until you have all your pieces cut. Make sure to sort all of your triangle pieces and make sure you've got them in order before you start applying your stickers. So the first thing I want to do is I have on each of my ends, I have an animal. So I'm going to take my sticker cardstock, and you notice I'm not cutting it away, I'm just peeling the sticker. All of these pieces peel off very easy because they're simple designs. If you had a complicated design, the Smart Sticker paper might not be the best choice. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to peel off our white stickers with the happy birthday lettering on them and put one on each of our triangles. Make sure you get them in the right order. These go on really quickly and easily, which is why I like the paper. Now the next thing you're going to need to do is just grab a few long pieces of yarn or string or twine or whatever you have and just loop them through each letter. You sort of have to just push them down as you work your way along. So this is what the banner looks like all set up. We had a company called Reptile Invasion out of Red Lion, Pennsylvania come out to do a presentation on reptiles, snakes, spiders, and my son was in heaven. He had so much fun, and it was a great way to kind of let them play with the snakes without actually getting any. So that's that. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks so much. Make sure to check out my blog on DIY-Danielle.com and subscribe. Thanks. Have a great day.